How's it going? So, I thought maybe we could do a little soldering video, because, I mean, I do a lot of soldering. Kind of comes with the territory with some of the hobby stuff. And I thought I'd just do a quick how-to. So, you dip a little bit onto your iron, then you touch your iron to the thing that you want solder on. Let it sit for a second so that the stuff that you want together gets hot. You're really not heating up the solder, you're heating up the thing the solder goes on. Just like that, that's soldered. So I'm going to set you down, I'm going to set up my wires, and then I'll show you what I did. Alright, take a look at our junk bins over here. Pretty much I'm just doing a little light wrap, wrapping this wire, the smaller wire, over this bigger wire. I'm just hooking a battery up to a gimbal, so I don't need, like, you know, heavy duty high voltage wire going on for it. But all I did was kind of take it and swirl it around the big wire. Then I'm going to take some solder. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to get a little bit on my iron first. Just dab a little bit on there. There we go. On the tip. And then down here, we're going to heat this wire and then solder onto the wire. See, what happens is the solder travels towards the heat. So that's why we're heating up the stuff and not the solder. If we just touch the solder to the iron, it'll stick to the iron. But pretty much that's how to solder. If you look there, that's stuck together. That's not going to come apart. It's been amalgamized. So there you go. Nice quick little how-to video for you guys. Have fun, enjoy it, and make lots of stuff with that knowledge.